My name is Russ McKusick. I work for Bozzuto's Incorporated, Cheshire, Connecticut. We are a food distributor which travels the Northeast from New York, Pennsylvania, all of New England, down to New Jersey, Delaware, and parts of Maryland. We run approximately 16 million miles a year from temperatures well below zeros down south through Jersey, summertime temperatures. We have 593 trailers and 254 tractors, which all require various types of Kendall products. We've been using Kendall for over 20 years. They started adding liquid titanium to the oils back when we went to a multi-blend. I believe that's why we get way over 1 million miles on an engine. It all comes down to taking care of it and using the proper oil. About 6 years ago, we did make a shift to a lower viscosity from the 1540 to a 1030. Fuel economy in the 4s and 5s, 6 miles per gallon. The newer trucks are up around 7 to almost 8. Only because when it's cold and that engine's trying to run, it's burning fuel. The thicker oil is taking you more horsepower to turn that engine and not putting the horsepower to the wheels. We have not sacrificed any wear protection. Nothing's changed in the sampling, and that's why we sample every piece of equipment every time it's serviced. Using the proper oil in a vehicle and changing it, you can put good oil in an engine, but if you don't maintain it and change it, and sampling is a great part of that, and the sampling system works very well. Through the sampling and having the proper oil in there and maintaining it at times it needs to be done so you won't have any catastrophic failures. You're not making deliveries, you're not making new customers. The quality and level of service that we get, they're only a phone call away. They'll come to our facility, go over sampling, oils that we can use in new vehicles versus older vehicles, and when we got the new tractors, we did the same thing. But they were right there for us to support. If somebody else, a fleet director, would ask, what would you recommend for a oil for my fleet? I'd say go with a Kendall product. They'll support you, they're behind you, and it's a great product.